Hey guys, today I am in the East Beach area of Norfolk, Virginia, bringing you EDC's latest development, The Turn. The Turn is a 96-unit townhome community located in the East Beach neighborhood of Norfolk. East Beach is located just minutes from the beach. You're near shopping, entertainment, restaurants, bars, you name it, you got it. Today we're taking a look at the Waypoint Model, which is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and over 2,000 square feet of living space. It's a 3-story building with an enormous garage, so let's go take a look inside. And there you have it, the Waypoint model. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms with over 2,000 square feet of living space. And you saw all the amazing finishes that this award-winning builder includes in his models. And to top it off, he is also offering buyer incentives of over $25,000 in closing cost assistance. And here I'm going to pass it over to Heather Todd with Cross Country Mortgage so she can break down all of those amazing details for you.
Hi, my name is Heather Todd with Cross Country Mortgage, and today I wanted to talk to you about temporary and permanent buy downs. If you have a seller of a home that you are looking at and they are willing to pay closing costs, a temporary or permanent buy down may be a great way for you to lower your payment and your rate in the first year or two of your mortgage. Let's take, for example, this house. The sales price is $625,750, and if you were putting 5% down, the remaining balance or your loan amount would be $594,462. If currently today the rate would be 6.95 that you would lock in at, and your taxes on this home was $651, your insurance was $175, and your mortgage insurance was $80, your total mortgage payment on this particular house at this type of loan would be about $4,841. That's what it's estimated to be. Let's take a look if you use the seller closing cost for a temporary buy down. So a temporary buy down is a way for you to lower your payment for the first year or two of your mortgage. So what happens is that you would lower your payment, your rate. Your payments would be based on a 2% lower rate the first year and a 1% lower rate the second year. And then on the third year, your payments would go back to being based on the original rate that you locked at. So in this case, if the original rate is set 6.95, then the first year of that mortgage, it would be your payments would be based off 2% lower interest rate. And that would cost the seller $9,322.82. And that would save you $776 on your mortgage payment every month. Then in the second year, your payments would be based off 1% lower than that original rate. And so instead of being 6.95, it'd be based off 5.95. The cost to the seller at that point would be $4,765.58. And that would save you $397 a month on your mortgage payment. So that total cost would save you $14,099 in the first 2 years of your mortgage payment. Now, if the seller's paying 3% on this property, you actually will have a little bit left over to also help pay for other closing costs that you would incur on your mortgage. But if you take that same money, that same $14,099, and you wanted to do a permanent buy down versus the temporary, because the temporary buy down is only for a year or two. If you want to do a permanent buy down for the life of the loan, then you could take that same $14,000 and you would buy the rate down from 6.95 to 6.25, and that would save you $275 per month. The reason that a temporary buy down is a little more popular in this rate environment is because we believe that you are going to be able to refinance in a year or two. And if that's the case, you're actually better off to use that $14,000 as a temporary buy down as opposed to a permanent buy down. Also, on a temporary buy down, if you do refinance early and the whole $14,000 hasn't been used to supplement the payment, you actually receive that money as a principal balance payment. So your payoff will be lower on the house if you refinance before the 2 years is up. So again, this is a great opportunity in this rate environment that we're in. If you're looking to lower your payment, this is a great opportunity to use seller paid closing costs to your advantage to get that payment lower for you so you can get the house you want until you're able to refinance. Please, I would love the opportunity to chat with you if you have any questions. Again, I'm Heather Todd with Cross Country Mortgage, and my number is 757-407-9110. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Heather. Wow, aren't those some amazing incentives? There's so much that you can do with the closing cost assistance that the builder is offering. So if you would like more information or you would like to tour one of the 4 units that are left, give me a call. All of my contact information is below, or you can send me a message. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.